Good morning, everyone. This is the next lecture of Unit 5 Disaster Management. This is lecture number 6 in which we will discuss case study of natural and man-made disaster. जो भी केस स्टडी होगी वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, तो मेन मेड डिजास्टर को आप देखिए. These are mostly caused due to the certain human activities. The disaster themselves could be unintentional but are caused due to the some intentional activity. Most of these are due to certain accidents which could have been prevented if adequate precautionary measures were put in place. Nuclear leaks, chemical leaks, terrorist attack, structural destroy, etc. Disaster management. Disaster management is the discipline of the dealing with the minimizing risk. Disaster management has assumed great importance in current time. To manage the situation efficiently, we need to be well resourced with newest technology. It cannot avert the situation but can mitigate its impact. Actions taken depend on in part on perceptions of risk of the those exposed. Effective emergency management depend on the through incorporation of emergency plans at all level of government and non-government इन्वॉल्वमेंट. ठीक है, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट साइकिल की बात करें. डिजास्टर फेज, प्रिपेयरनेस फेज, रेस्पॉन्स फेज, रिकवरी एंड रिहेबिलिटेशन फेज. सेकंड, द भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी. टाइटल भोपाल गैस डिजास्टर. डिजास्टर भोपाल डिजास्टर. डेट ऑफ डिजास्टर इज 3rd of December 1984. नेचर ऑफ डिजास्टर इज ह्यूमन एरर. डिजास्टर फेज की बात करूँ, द भोपाल डिजास्टर ऑल्सो रेफर टू द भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी was a gas leak incident in India, considered one of the world's worst industrial disaster. It occurred on the night to 3 December 1984 at the Union Carbide Indian Limited UCIL practices plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh in India. A leak is methyl isocyanate gas and other chemicals from the plant resulted in the exposure of hundreds of thousands of people. A government official declaration 2006 state the leak caused 558,125 injuries, including 34,478 temporary, partial, and approximately 3,900 severely and permanently disabling injuries. There were mass funerals and mass cremation and there will be disposal of the bodies in the Narmada River. 170,000 were people were threatened at hospitals and temporary dispensaries. 2,000 goats and animals were collected are worried. The gas cloud was composed mainly of the material dense than the surrounding air, stayed close to the ground and spread outward through the surrounding community. The early effect of the exposure were coughing, vomiting, severe eye irritation and feeling of suffocation owing to their height. Children and other people with shorter height inhaled higher concentrations. Impact of disaster. The actual disaster result in a lot of damage to population in terms of the loss of life and property. This direct result can be dubbed as the first disaster. The impact of the first disaster sent another wave of destructions triggered by the chain of event relating to the first disaster by means of cause and effect, resulting in India damage to people removed from the original disaster. This can be called a second disaster. Physical health effect. The gas was composed mainly of the materials denser than the surrounding air, stayed closer to the ground and spread onward through the surrounding community. The initial effect of the exposure were coughing, vomiting, severe eye irritation, feeling of the suffocation. Thousands of seriously affected several still go through the such extensive lungs damage that can no longer apply themselves physically and walking briskly even for a few minutes seed them gaseum for their knees. Women have abnormal gynecological problem and are still given birth to the disordered children. The acute symptoms were burning in the respiratory tract and eyes, breathless, stomach pains and vomiting. Finding during autopsy revealed not only the lungs but kidneys fault, fatty degeneration of the liver, the still birth rate increased by up to 300% and neonatal mortality rate by around 200%. Social and emotional effect. Health problems have severe social consequences. Health issues include gynecological and endocrinal complications, as well as the high levels of abnormal menstrual and reproductive difficulties, as well as the high incidence of the miscarriage. The children of gas and water affected women also suffer from a vast array of congenital deformities and mental and physical disabilities. In the particular context of deprived and rigorously conservative Indian communities, reproductive productive difficulties and chronological illness or render many women undesirable marriage partners, causing them to bear significantly social stigma. Indeed, the inability to conceive healthy children sentences many women to live without even getting married, which can lead to inexpectability ever attain economic security. Cause of disaster: this could be prevented if taken care if when it occurs. Work condition: attempt to reduce expenses affected by the factories employees and their conditions. Khurjman argued that cuts mean less stringent quality control and thus looser safety rules. A pipe leaked, don't replace it. Employees said the world old mic worker need to more training. Equipment and safety regulation की बात करूँ, the mic tank alarm had not worked for 4 years. There was only one manual backup system compared of a 4-stage system used in the US. The flare tower and van gas scrubber had been out of the services of 5 months before the disaster. The gas scrubber therefore did not threat escaping gases with sodium hydroxide, which might be broader than considered down of the safe level. Furthermore, the flare tower itself was improperly designed and could only hold 1/4 of the volume of the gas was leaked in 1984. ठीक है. Response phase की बात करूँ, this is the period that immediately follow the occurrence of the disaster. The ambulances and medical personnel arrives, remove the injured and transportation of medical camps and hospitals and provide first and life support. In Bhopal case, medical staff were unprepared for thousands of casualties. Doctors and hospitals were not informed to proper treatment method for a mic gas inhalation. They were told to simply give cough medicine and eye drop to the patient within a few days. Trees, trees in the vicinity become variant 2000 volatile animals. Car cases has to be disposed operational fate on the 16th December. The tank 611-619 were embedded of the remaining mic, the lead to be second mass evolution from भोपाल. तो ये पूरी आप स्ट्रेटजीज में मिटिगेशन स्ट्रेटजीज भी आप पढ़ लेंगे. ठीक है. थैंक यू.